Yeah, hi all. So happy Independence to everyone in advance. So on this occasion, I would like to talk something about influencing without authority. So we have one of the great personality. We are very fortunate to have him. So I'll talk about his uh, like brief history. Even I was surprised that I was not doing these things. Maybe some of you might be knowing, but whatever usually every 2nd October or 15th August, Doordarshan used to telecast the movie Mahatma Gandhi and whatever we watch in the movie that most of us know. So apart from that, like we know he's a very great personality and we call him Mahatma and all. But if we see about his childhood, so he's like an average kid, and he has not done any big achievements during his childhood. He was not very top ranker or something like that, or very outgoing. He was reserved, he was shy, and he was average student. Then he went to Mumbai for his completing college. So in Porbandar, he has done his education in Gujarati medium. So he was facing challenges. First challenge he faced, like it was in English medium when he went to do his post matriculate education. Then after completing that, he was working and his life got bored and he was feeling saturated. So someone suggested him to go and pursue lawyer education, become a barrister. So there again, he has challenges to convince his family. And he being the youngest son of the family, his mother was very possessive, and she was not ready to let him go to London so far away. And those days, travel was very difficult, communication, and all was a big challenge. But still, he was very determined, and he arranged the funds from one of his distant relative, and he gave vote to his mother, like he will never drink or eat alcohol or eat meat, and he will be away, keep a distance from ladies and all. So that is how he convinced her mother, and he was able to go. And then after reaching London, again it was a bigger challenge because during those that time, London was considered as a sophisticated, well civilized society, and he was coming from a rural village. So if generally what we see anyone coming from a village and coming to Mumbai or any city like Bangalore, that the challenges what he faced, similar challenges we can visualize if you want to compare that situation. And he was not facing challenges in front of means education while studying and all that he was able to handle and manage. So he again did matricular from London to improve his English. But biggest challenge was this social, uh, maintaining vegetarian diet, avoiding alcohol, and those were the main challenge. So he was luckily he found one book, so which was related to how to be become vegetarian, how to stay vegetarian, how what are the benefits of vegetarian food, and that book helped him really. And there was one of the community, vegetarian community, so he joined that community. So that community he started writing blogs or articles for that, and that was the place where he was interacting with many people, like revolutionary people with good ideas and all. So whatever vision you see, those vision he learned during that time. So this was a very critical time for his whatever 3 years he was there. So those visionary people were more focused. They were giving more importance to the morals versus material life, and that is how he also his vision and thought process also changed towards that. And later we know from the history, like he first his awakening was when he was thrown out of the train due to he was traveling in first class, and which was not allowed for Indians to travel. and many people will get such instances in life, but everybody will not keep up to the challenge and stand up. So that is when he realized and he understood his greater cause and he stood up for that, and rest is a history. So he's an influencer person without authority. So people are influenced by him, though he has no authority. He was not a king or a president, prime minister, but still people follows his principles and way of life. And still in today's day also he is very relevant. And the non-violence way of protest and all what he has taught, that is like unique way we have learned from him to protest and fight for our freedom and struggle. Yeah, thank you.